The first time you see the Chinese word 绝杀 in a soccer match, it looks a little scary. 绝杀, why is there a word for kill in football? But don't worry, nobody was killed. What died was the other team's hope. And that is exactly why soccer terms in Chinese are so interesting. Some sound dramatic, some sound funny, some sound strangely visual, and some are tactical words that help you understand the game better. So today we are going to look at the must-know soccer terms in Chinese for the World Cup, not by memorizing them, but by translating them literally and seeing why they actually make sense. The first word is 绝杀. 绝 means final, absolute, or cut off. 杀 means kill. So if you translate 绝杀 literally, it sounds like final kill. But in Chinese sports language, 绝杀 usually means a goal or point scored at the very last moment when the opponent has almost no time to recover. In English, last minute goal sounds quite neutral, but in Chinese, 绝杀 makes it feel like drama, pressure, and one final strike. So when you hear 绝杀 during a football match, remember, it means the game was not just won, it was ended. 他在最后1分钟绝杀了对手。He scored the winner in the final minute. The second word is 破门. 破 means break. 门 means door or gate. So 破门 literally means break the door. But in football, 破门 means to score a goal. Why? Because the goal can be imagined like a gate. The defending team is protecting that gate. And when the ball goes in, the attacking team has broken through. That is why 破门 is more visual than just saying score. It's not only the ball went in, it feels like the player broke through the defense. So when you see 破门, don't think of a real door in your house. Think of a football goal as a gate. The player breaks the gate. The team scores. 他终于破门了. He finally scored. The third word is 点球大战. This one sounds huge. 点 means point or spot. 球 means ball. So 点球 means penalty kick. But when a match goes to a penalty shootout, Chinese often says 点球大战. 大 means big or great. 战 means battle or war. So literally, spot ball, great war. That sounds extreme. But honestly, penalty shootout does feel like war. In English, penalty shootout sounds technical. But 点球大战 sounds emotional. It tells you this is not just a normal part of the game. This is the moment when the whole match becomes one shot at a time. That is why Chinese football language can feel so dramatic. It doesn't only describe the rule, it describes the feeling. 比赛进入了点球大战. The match went into a penalty shootout. The fourth word is 爆冷. This is one of my favorites. 爆 means explode. 冷 means cold. So 爆冷 literally sounds like explode cold. Very strange, right? But in Chinese sports language, 爆冷 means a shocking upset. It is used when a weaker team beats a stronger team or when the result is completely unexpected. 这场比赛爆冷了. This match had a shocking upset. The fifth word is probably one of the most important World Cup words, 出现. 出 means come out. 线 means line. So literally, 出线 means come out of the line. But in football, 出线 means a team qualifies from the group stage and moves into the next round. This word is interesting because many Chinese learners may see 线 and think of a line, or maybe even the internet because of words like 上线. But 出线 in football is not about going online. It is about getting out of the group. A team does not just qualify, it escapes the group stage. 这支球队成功出现了. This team successfully qualified. The sixth word is the funniest one. 乌龙球. 球 means ball, but 乌龙 looks like 乌龙, as in oolong tea. But if you translate it literally, 乌龙球 sounds like oolong ball. But in football, 乌龙球 means an own goal. That means a player accidentally scores into his own team's goal. An own goal is embarrassing. It is unexpected. It is a kind of mistake everyone remembers. 他踢进了一个乌龙球. He scored an own goal. Bonus word. 死亡之组. This one is easy to understand but very dramatic. 死亡 means death. 之 means of. 组 means group. So 死亡之组 literally means death group. In football, it means group of death, a group where too many strong teams are placed together. So it is very hard to qualify. This word shows why Chinese football commentary feels so intense. A difficult group is not just hard, it is a death group. 这一组是死亡之组. This group is the group of death. So today we saw 7 World Cup Chinese words that sound strange when translated literally. 绝杀 final kill, a last minute winner. 破门 break the door, to score a goal. 点球大战 spot ball great war, penalty shootout. 爆冷 explode cold, a shocking upset. 出线 come out of the line, to qualify. 乌龙球 oolong ball, own goal. 死亡之组 death group, group of death. So next time you watch the World Cup in Chinese, don't only listen for 足球 and 比赛. Listen for these words because Chinese football does not just tell you what happened, it tells you how dramatic it felt. Which word surprised you the most? Was it 绝杀, 爆冷, or 乌龙球? Tell me in the comments. And if you want to understand Chinese through word logic, not boring memorization, remember to subscribe to Learn Mandarin Chinese in 5 minutes. See you in the next video. 再见。